Good morning to one and all present here. Today, we come together not just to observe a day, but to confirm a movement, a global movement to protect and restore the only home we have, our planet. On this World Environment Day 2025, we embrace a theme that is both urgent and obvious: beat plastic pollution. Plastic, once held as a revolutionary material, has now become one of the greatest threats to the health of our environment. Today, our oceans are choked with plastic debris, marine creatures mistake it for food, millions die from its ingestion. Alarming. But here's the truth we often forget. We created this crisis and we can end it. This year's host country, South Korea, is leading by example with its full life cycle plastic strategy, aiming for systematic change from production to disposal. But large scale policy is only one part of the solution. The real change begins with us, the students, the youth, the future decision makers of this world. So, how can we, as young individuals, become environmental change makers? Refuse what you don't need. Say no to single use plastics. Every time you refuse a plastic straw, a disposable spoon, or a plastic wrapped items, you are taking a stand. Reduce consumption. Think before you buy. Opt for alternatives: paper, cloth, metals that don't cost the earth. Reuse creatively. Upcycle what you can. A plastic bottle can become a container, a planter, or a craft project. Recycle responsibly. Understand your local recycling system and be mindful of waste segregation. Raise your voice. Start awareness campaigns, cleanup drives, and environmental clubs in your school. Advocate for change at home and in your community. Dear friends, we must remember, nature doesn't need us. We need nature. And our actions today will determine the kind of planet we leave behind tomorrow. Let this day be not just a day of celebration. Raise your voice. Start awareness campaigns, cleanup drives, and environmental clubs in school. Advocate for change at home and in your community. Dear friends, we must remember, nature doesn't need us. We need nature. And our actions today will determine the kind of planet we leave behind tomorrow. Let this not be just a day of celebration and speeches, but a day of reflection, of commitment, and of actions. Let this day not be just a day of celebration, speeches, but a day of reflection, of commitment, and of action. Let us pledge to be mindful consumers, responsible citizens, and compassionate custodians of our earth. Thank you.